Tulong ito. Huwag yung dagdagan.
Thank you, DPP. Thank you, Secretary Manny. Pinyol. There are 9,000 totally damaged homes in Davao. Partially damaged 30,000. Many of them are no longer staying in the places where their houses used to be there. This money, together with other funds that we have collated and gathered, which are now in the hands of our provincial treasurer. By the way, I have with me here our provincial treasurer, Ms. Midan, our PDRRMC officer, Mr. Tan, and our PWD officer, Ms. Lano. We'll use this to buy lands to resettle those who are now situated, most of them in our evacuation centers. I have identified only 5 relocation sites, and we have obtained the permission of NGB to use these lands. In addition, for those who cannot avail of the NHA housing programs, will help rebuild their homes. I know that malaki itong tulong sa amin. This will relieve us of so many problems since October 16. Ang laking problema namin dyan sa Davao Luzon. But with DBP, salamat naman, nataalan niyo kami. Maraming utang namin sa DBP. We are your realtor. At the same time, we are your customer. Marami kami accounts dyan sa DBP. And I have instructed our provincial treasurer. Ito mismo, 3 million ito, inisip ko ito sa DBP. The reason why I brought with me ang PWD officer, Ms. Lano, is because may pera man ng PWD, i-deposit din natin sa DBP. Ito si Mr. Tan, siya ang PDRMC, may calamity fund, di ba? Siya nag-dispose niya, i-deposit din natin. Bawi lang yan. Hindi ho, nadagdagan ko ito.